Hi. Welcome to Dream Drivers channel. For today's video, we are going to combine the first name and the last name in the sheet. If you finds this interesting, you can watch this video until the end. We can see some data here which we are going to combine. Take a note that you can make longer than this. And by doing this, you can make it quicker than you've been doing before, like you're going to manual copy and paste the data that will consume your all time. From this one to this one. We can see here that the details from the rows was combined. Let's start. Click this first cell where you start applying this method. And click this FX sign to insert its function. We can see here the insert function which we are going to choose the category all. Find the concatenate, or you can type letter C on your keyboard to find its similar first word letter. Click the function concatenate. Concatenate text 1 text 2 joins several text strings into one text strings. Click OK. We can see here two bars which we need to enter our data to combine. When you enter your data here, it will automatically provide more bars for you to combine. Okay. We're gonna go back to text 1 where we will enter the first name and the last name to combine. So click the text 1, next click the first name which is May. As you can see, B3 automatically fills out the selected cells beside the concatenate. We need to click the space as it is needed between the first name and the last name to input into text 2. Just press the space bar on your keyboard in the text 2, as you can see, it will encode the spacing into the selected cell and into the text 2. Next is the text 3 which is the last name. Click the text 3 and click the last name which is Dampela. We just only need to click OK. Boom! The first name and the last name was combined. All you need to do now is to point the arrow to make a plus sign beside the combined name and then drag it down. Now you're done. And if you want to make changes in your data, like you want to add or delete something in the cell, it will automatically make changes to copy the original one. Amazing, right? You can try to add or delete some data below too. One more thing. There is a technique that I was amazed and I bet you'll be amazed by this too. Put the arrow in the cell and type the first name and the last name. Arrow down or click enter. And then type Ctrl E. Long press the Ctrl and click the letter E in the keyboard. Here we go, you're done. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will be happy to answer your questions.